feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. They say that the sharpest dressed man always gets the girl. I don't know about that, but that's for you, Kylie Jenner. Let's get straight into our hot gossip today, starting it off with the presidential debate.
Exactly.
Dr. Ross and I watched a little bit of this earlier, and the only thing we have to say is that's it. We're not taking any sides here, but if this is all it is, we don't know who to choose.
Exactly, because like we say every single Rose and Gold, Black King Sebastian and I, we really don't get into the politics a lot. Not saying that we can't have a political conversation with you, but we're saying we don't really get into it because it's just not our place.
Exactly.
But on a happier note, we do want to mention Maine Musk's book. She is an idol. She's a beauty. Just looking at her, she's stunning. 72 years old. Don't talk about a woman's age, but this right here, this is legendary. She's
72.
one of my icons.
She's 72 and still going strong and fierce.
Looks like she's 21.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So for the first topic in the Bible, we have Hennessy Carolina brings back Diddy Sean in a sporty modeling pics. Basically, they're saying that New York vixen Hennessy Carolina is showing love and admiration to Diddy.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Miss Hennessy, you were the winner for the She's Hot contest, but weren't you saying that you were a lesbian a little bit ago?
How long? For real.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9. It's just a joke.
The fruit doesn't fall too far from the vine. Because Hennessy, you are money hungry, scandalous, ruthless, and always looking for another figure.
Exactly.
You were the winner for our She's Hot contest, sponsored by Playboy International. So as you know, she's probably going to the highest bidder. She could love guys today, and she could love the ladies tomorrow.
Exactly. All I'm going to have to say, Black King Sebastian, to continue on what you're saying is, Diddy, this might be a redemption for you after Cassie ran away, and she hasn't mentioned you for a second now, so...
This is a chance to get your head out of the gutter.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
NeNe Leakes declares she is no longer friends with Wendy Williams after her interview with Andy Cohen. All I want to say is, wait there for a second. Black King Sebastian, do you have anything to say about this?
All I can see in this, Dr. Ross, is two scandalous and crazy bitches.
Exactly.
The Wendy Williams and NeNe Leakes they probably were friends in the first place because they're always causing some trouble with the Tabasco sauce.
NeNe, all I want to say is, how many friends do you think Wendy Williams has? She badmouths all her best friends on the TV while they're sitting in front of her, and then she says, "Oh, but we love you." It's all part of the act, and you know this. You're a reality star, and Andy Cohen knows it even more. He's filled around reality stars.
Whoa, what?
And on to our next hot topic. So T.I. recently went to go talk about his favorite foods and his least favorite foods in Atlanta. Black King Sebastian and I were just in Atlanta. Hope to see you next time, T.I. But he says that his favorite restaurant in Atlanta is Ruth Chris. His least favorite thing to eat in Atlanta, though, that is two of his most pet peeves, has to be sushi. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
First of all, T.I., we knew that you were going to pick the Ruth Chris because that is the top of the top on steak and other items.
Exceptional.
But T.I., you need to go and sit down at the Ruth Chris with Tiny Tim and your family.
Exactly.
Because if you don't like sushi, don't eat it. Don't order it in the first place. Let's move into our next hot topic.
The only thing I have to say about it, though, is this is way off topic, but for Ruth Chris, they're always spectacular and the service is amazing. The only thing I do want to say is Black King Sebastian and I, the last time we, took a step into Ruth Chris when we were in Atlanta, almost everything on the menu was gone. Hopefully they've changed that a little bit up. They've brought back a little bit something saucy, but last time you were there, the only thing they had was like mashed potatoes.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic. Willow Smith reacts to Jada Pinkett Smith's entanglement. Now, Willow, I don't know why you're being so late on the entanglement business, but You have anything to say about this Black King Sebastian?
She's probably so late on it because she was in some entanglements, as the whole family is. I mean, look at the Will Smith and Jada on the Red Table Talk. All she was saying the whole time, I've been having some entanglements with the August.
Exactly.
And as you know, Will is probably having some other stuff in the background with someone else.
I don't even know why they played it up that big, because when Will Smith went into the Red Table Talk, he asked her 7 times while laughing. Okay, why are you gonna laugh when your wife's been cheating around? But he was laughing, asking her 7 times straight out, what happened, Jada? What happened? And she said, an entanglement. So, we're gonna go into our next hot topic.
And before we move off of it, Will, you already know what happened. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, Too Short recently did a flashback interview, and Too Short said that there's a possibility that he thinks Tupac is still alive. He said with all of his heart, he really does believe Tupac is out there still walking around. What are your thoughts, Black King?
Tupac could be alive and he could be gone. But most likely, Dr. Ross, they probably could have taken the body somewhere else after they shot up the vehicle. But
Exactly.
Too Short, on a lighter note, we hear that you're actually going to be making some new music with Megan Thee Stallion.
Exactly.
We can't wait for that to come out. We can't wait. And you know what, Too Short? Put us in your next album. Let's make some tracks together. Let's move into our next and final hot topic.
For a final hot topic, we have Jennifer Lopez says that she loves spending time home with her family and having dinner with her kids every single night for months and months, because it's truly been a blessing with Alex Rodriguez.
J-Lo, I'm surprised you're back in the news. You used to be in the news almost every single day, but then you just vanished for a while. Who knows? It's probably because she's spending more time with the family. And you know, that's good for you, J-Lo, because now you're not out there just working every day. Because now you have time for the children and to go home, eat lunch, and relax.
The only thing I want to say is, Black King Sebastian, I'm sorry to say this, but J-Lo, you're a goddamn liar. You can't stand those kids, and every time you probably see Alex Rodriguez's face, you tell him to get from around here. Because Jennifer Lopez, you know exactly why you weren't home every single day, and don't say it's because you were busy. You were making yourself busy. But just because the quarantine has kept you home, you had to save face and say you love it with those kids.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
And you know, it's no hard feelings, J-Lo. We love you, J-Lo. You keep pumping it, shaking what your mama gave you, doing the pow. But we have to keep it real with you as always, J-Lo. But as always, we're just playing. Let's get into our next hot topic, though. Sienna Miller recently came out and she said that Chadwick Boseman cut his own salary to increase hers on 21 Bridges. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Chadwick Boseman, you will forever be in our hearts and minds as one of the greatest and most prolific actors of this generation.
It's true.
As well as he was a very nice and caring person for everyone around him. To his family and friends, our condolences and our hearts go out to you.
Exactly.
Let's move into today's horoscope.
Before we go into the horoscope, I'm sorry to keep cutting off the horoscope, Black King Sebastian. But we do want to mention that Gabrielle Union and Jessica Alba are in LA right now. And we just want to say, Black King Sebastian and I, we're ready for anything that you will throw at us. You need us to play an athlete, we can play an athlete. You want us to play a teenage cop, we can do it. A criminal, a hero, anything you need us to play, we got you.
That's right, because we are LA's finest.
Exactly.
Let's move into today's horoscope. The horoscope is Libra. Using your intuition, you make decisions regarding future plans. Possessing a unique feel for your current situation, you recognize certain circumstances may involve a completely new beginning. To all of our Libras out there, congratulations and happy birthday. But remember, the Rose and Gold Jamaican hair gel and hair shampoo is out, as well as the Jamaican clothing line.
Exactly.
So make sure to pick some up for yourselves. You can buy off of our Instagram by DMing us or go to our website. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.